Hey guys, I'm Tutorial Phil. Welcome back to my channel. I have a Louis Vuitton haul for you. I think it's been a while since I've done one of these because I haven't been purchasing a lot of Louis Vuitton since the Spring-Summer 2018 collection. And the men's Fall-Winter 2018 collection launched not too long ago. The items here actually encompasses two separate visits. And I did already do a video for the ready-to-wear. You can see it's a garment bag here. I ended up only keeping this one. I'll have a separate video for the ready-to-wear that I tried on. In this video, I'm not really gonna try things on or go into too much detail. It's just more of an unboxing and reveal, but I will most likely have detailed videos, separate ones for all of these. So these are just two receipts from the separate trips. And I'm going to go through the ready-to-wear first, which is in a garment bag. So this is a button-up shirt. It's just called a regular shirt, even when you look at it online. Louis Vuitton now offers ready-to-wear online, so this model you can purchase online. So that's the information on it. This is a size small and it's 1,220, which is a lot for a regular button-up shirt. What makes this special is the way the monogram is applied onto the fabric. I think they called it like a boucle effect. It looks like it's velvet for the monogram, and then the shirt is a finely woven cotton shirt, and it's all white. So it's very textural. It's semi see-through, so if you don't wear a shirt underneath, you can kind of see through to your skin. But I think this really is meant to look kind of like a linen shirt that you would wear in the summer. What's really interesting about this shirt is the material. In the material tag, it's 60% cotton and 40% eucalyptus. And this is the first time I've ever seen eucalyptus as a fabric for clothes. My assumption is that the eucalyptus comes from how the monogram is woven in. So it must be a very fibrous material that they're using to achieve this kind of fuzzy effect all throughout the shirt. And this regular shirt is also a regular fit, which it says over here. And it comes with the hanger too and the garment bag. I think whenever you buy dress shirts, if they don't include it, you should ask for it because you're paying a lot for a Louis Vuitton shirt and you really want to keep it in good condition by using the hanger and the garment bag when you're not wearing it. And like I said earlier, I'm gonna have a different video where I'll try this on, plus I'll show you the two other items from the runway collection that I couldn't really keep, and I'll just explain a little bit more in that video. And now on to the boxes. I'm gonna start with the smaller ones and work my way up to the largest one. This one, you might be able to tell what kind of thing it is from the type of bag. This is like a new style of bag that Louis Vuitton has. This is a perfume, and if you can read it, this is Amber Nomad. This is the more exclusive one, although they did their worldwide launch a few days ago, so now you can actually just order from the website as well. I don't think they readily have this available at all stores, maybe the flagship ones. My local store, which now carries ready-to-wear, didn't even have this either. So this had to be ordered in. I think this only comes in the 100 milliliter size, and then you can also get the travel set. So this one I believe was $330, which is about $60 more expensive than the regular 100 milliliter sizes. So I'm gonna quickly open it for you. And it opens up like my other ones. I have a couple of the full-size bottle unboxing, plus I bought the miniature set for both women's and men's. So it's really the exact same packaging. and it's all paper packaging. So this one has a black top. The way you can differentiate the women's and men's is that the men's has a silver, like a gunmetal gray top, and the women's have a gold one. This is the special one, so it comes with the black top, and also you can see the black base here. And the reason why is because the bottle is also black, and then you see the gold lettering here. So since this is like a black glass bottle, it might be a little hard to see, but I'm not going through the details in this video anyway. And I'm gonna do the test spray in a separate video when I review this scent. On to the next item. Again, I think if you're familiar with Louis Vuitton packaging, you know what this is just from the size of the box. This one I didn't think I was gonna get, but it caught my eye when I went into the store to go look at a few things. So this is their new sunglass case, which looks kind of like a mini trunk with the corners here. And the packaging reminds me a lot of Dior Homme. So it's like a leather box and it's a magnetic closure. And it comes with a cleaning cloth inside, as well as I think a care booklet about Louis Vuitton sunglasses. And then this is the new dust bag with the blue drawstring. These are called the Showdown sunglasses. I believe they come in 2 colors. I originally saw the yellow one and I liked the style of it, but I didn't like that it was completely see-through. Not that practical to use as sunglasses. And then I saw the black pair in the pop-up shop and I really liked it. It's a pretty simple shape, but it works for me, and I like that it's pretty simple in that it's just one plastic piece in the front. There's really no frame. But of course, what's cool about it, where you can see in the reflection with the light, it has the monogram on it. It's kind of subtle, but it's also in your face in a way. It just depends on what kind of lighting you're gonna get. And then everything else is pretty simple. It just has the Louis Vuitton on the side on the arm there, and it's just metal throughout. So it's pretty plain. And these are made in Italy. These are $585. And then you can see on the corner as well, it has Louis Vuitton right there, or the LV right there as well. I've been wearing my Dior Homme for a while now, and I just wanted to get a new pair of sunglasses. I've always liked the Louis Vuitton ones with this effect, but I didn't like the silhouette as much, and they've had it for a while. Not sure if they still sell it. It's more like an aviator style, but it's pretty classic. I think this one's a bit more modern. So you're definitely going to be seeing this on Instagram. I may do a separate video on this one as well. Now to the second to last item, comes in a box like this. And this one would make more sense when you also see my ready-to-wear video that I'm going to post probably after this. This is the bandana that features the graphic from the Fall/Winter 2018 show, and it has fluorescent yellow on the sides. So this is technically a silk bandana, but I'm going to use it as a scarf. So this is the silk scarf. It has a terrain print. I think the dimensions were something like around 21 by 21, more or less, inches square. So it's not like a big square scarf, but you can use it as, you can kind of roll it up to use as a really light scarf. And you could maybe tie it around things as well. So you can see it has a terrain print. This is the front side, because you can see the Louis Vuitton monogram on it. Unlike the other couple of the other terrain print, the monogram on here is not reflective. So it's not another material that's applied on it. It's just in the print itself. And I like that it's kind of subtle. It works with the texture, and you can't really tell that it's there until you look a little closer. Another interesting aspect of this is that the two of the corners have these fluorescent yellow brass pieces. You can see there they're printed with Louis Vuitton. So there's one on each side on the opposite ends. And I think that just helps when you wear it. If you want to have it weighing down, it will be more flat. So as you can expect, this is 100% silk, dry clean only, made in Italy. This is kind of expensive, I felt like. I think in general, the fall winter items, I think Louis Vuitton are pricing their items higher, because for this scarf, which is, you know, a flat piece of silk, is $515. But I really wanted to collect something that had the terrain print on it, and this was pretty much the smallest item that had it. Plus it is something I would actually use. So I decided to go ahead and get this, because to me it's an accessory that helps commemorate the fall winter 2018 collection. I do have one more piece coming that I ordered months ago, but I'm still waiting on the delivery of that, and that's from the runway show. And I'll definitely show you guys when that comes. This is the last item. It comes in the biggest box from this haul. This was a completely unexpected purchase. There was only one that was in the store, and apparently it's not available in all stores and online. It's a call for availability item. So it's not like I don't think it's extremely limited, but it's definitely not something they readily show in the stores, is the impression that I get. So it's in the dust bag. And for me, this item is more of a collector's or maybe display item. So here is the item. I think it's probably something you wouldn't have expected. This is from the women's collection, so this is from Runway Fall Winter 2018 as well. It's called the Khan bag. So it looks like a bucket. It's pretty small, and then there you can see there's hinges here, and then here's where you would put the lock, which you can put the zipper on it to lock it. So it has a top handle. It's flat in the back. This is black epi leather. It comes in like a pale yellow cream color, and then it also comes in reverse monogram. And this wasn't too bad. I mean, for a small bag, this is $2,600. It's not technically a hard-sided piece. However, it is really extremely structured and rigid. So it's pretty good for a hard piece. So you can see there it says made in France. And the funny thing is, it doesn't say the runway like the men's does. And I'm not sure if when Nicolas Ghesquière joined, he did away with that. I know Marc Jacobs did, but it's been a while since I looked at the women's good, because I did purchase something from Marc Jacobs' last collection, just a very small piece, just so I can collect one of his last pieces. And since then, I really haven't looked at any women's leather goods. But this one, it just looks, I thought it would look cool as a display item on like a shelf or a mantle. It's not, I don't know actually if I would ever use it, but it comes with the booklet. So that's the women's runway booklet. It comes with the lock, and the lock has been updated. I'll show you in a second. It comes with a leather shoulder strap. It's the leather that you expect for the epi, so it straps onto these both sides. So both of the sides also have LV on it, you can see here, and there's still like a plastic wrap over both of them. So one on each side. So this is the item number and the price. It's $2,600 in the US. This is the Epi Noir. Cowhide leather and textile interior lining. And then just another product tag with the item number M52226. This is the lock that comes with it. So it has the circular Louis Vuitton monogram. That's something that Nicolas Ghesquière brought back, I think. And then of course you have the keys as well. I can actually use it. I don't know really if I will. Maybe to certain events, if it goes with the outfit, I may consider it. But I am waiting on a couple of other hard-sided pieces that are from the men's line, and those I know I definitely will wear. And that's my video. Thank you for watching. Like I said, I'm gonna do separate videos on most of these, and I'm gonna have a separate one with the ready-to-wear because I originally got 3 items, but I only kept the white shirt. And it wasn't because I didn't like the other 2 items, but they just ended up didn't work for me when I realized afterward. So subscribe if you want to see more videos, and check me out on Instagram for the latest updates and exclusive content. And I hope to see you in my next video.